אוצר מילים. Vocabulary. Before we start the exercise, let's learn some new words. A question in Hebrew is שאלה. שאלה. Questions in Hebrew שאלות. שאלות. A difficult, hard question in Hebrew would be שאלה קשה. שאלה קשה. Difficult or hard questions in Hebrew would be שאלות קשות. שאלות קשות. An easy question will be שאלה קלה. שאלה קלה. Easy questions שאלות קלות. שאלות קלות. A good question שאלה טובה. שאלה טובה. Good questions שאלות טובות. שאלות טובות. When we want to say there is or there are, there is one word for that in Hebrew. יש. יש. To me, in Hebrew, is לי. And now, if we will combine those two expressions, we'll receive I have. Literally in Hebrew, it means there is to me. יש לי. יש לי. I have. יש לי. Literally, there is to me. A few. כמה. כמה. A lot. הרבה. הרבה. Excellent, so I hope you wrote all of those words and expressions in your notebook because we're going to use them in our exercises in the next lecture.